today we're gonna try something that is super typical and common here in San Salvador. It's called panes ticos, or tico bread. So let's go check it out. Panes Ticos is a family-run business where you'll always find Danielle there to greet you and make sure you get what you need. And if it starts with beans and meat, you know it's gotta taste good.
Pues Panes Ticos nació en el 65. Desde ese momento pues ya mi familia lo tiene y ya somos 3 generaciones trabajando. Los panes, como lo pueden, siempre ha sido frijoles, carne molida de arroz con salchicha, curtido, mayonesa, escabeche y chile jalapeño. Y aquí siempre estamos en la misma calle donde siempre hemos estado, sobre la 4ª y la 19, aquí en San Salvador.
¿El costo del pan?
$2.75.
And voila, there is your pan tico. Oh wow, that is massive. Here, I got 2 tico breads. This one has chiles, and this one doesn't have chilies. Whenever you are trying something new, make sure if they offer the hot version, make sure you get a normal version, because you never know if it's gonna be mild, a little spicy, or Thai spicy. So, here we go. I'll try one bite of the chili. We'll see what happens. And if it's not too bad, then I'll probably finish this one. But if it is, then I can have a backup so I don't burn my mouth off. You hear that? With chili or without chili? Okay. Oh my goodness. This thing is massive. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. Okay. That was all meat. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not bad. I didn't get a chili though, so I should probably get a chili just to make sure. No. Okay, this chili isn't hot, like, at all. It's like not even paste picante mild. So I'm gonna finish off this one, and I'll give that one to somebody that needs food in the street. I'm Jenn. Travel more, live more, be more. The world has lots of amazing things waiting for you to discover.